How to fix common error in Disney Plus. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to fix common error in Disney Plus. So in order to fix common error in Disney Plus, you could begin with a basic troubleshooting steps like restarting the app. So first thing, you want to completely close the app from the background itself as well, and then restart your device at the same time. That might also be able to help you out. Now, other than that, what you could also do is you could power cycle your device. So you just want to turn off your streaming device, modem, and the router. Wait for it at wait at least 60 seconds. Then restart the modem or the router, and finally your device. This should be able to help as well. Now, other than that, you could also clear your cache as well as data. For that, you just want to launch open settings onto your device and go to apps section from the list and click on see all apps. And then here you want to go ahead and locate your Disney Plus, after which you just want to go to clear cache and storage and click on the clear button. That might also be able to help. Now, other than that, you could also update the app and operating system. So what you want to do is just open your respective app store, and on the search bar you want to type in Disney Plus and update the app to the latest version. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix your common issues or common error in Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.